Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're working on my Ficus religiosa bonsai. Now this is one of my favorite trees, not only because it's my favorite species, but this was one that I grew from a cuttings about this size. And so trees that I grew from seeds and cuttings I get pretty attached to, and this is one of them. So looking at the whole tree from afar, this is the front of the tree, and right now the apex is leaning a little bit on the left side just because there is more dominant growth on one of the branches on the left side. So we will have to do a little bit more heavy pruning on the left side to bring the apex back into the center, parallel to the nabari. Now this tree is I'm using mostly just clip and grow method, and so we'll be pruning them back down to the second or the third nodes, and this way we can get a more tight and compact ramifications as well as natural movement to the branches just from the back budding. So for today I may prune some of the branches on top here down to the third nodes, and then the left side I'll do down to the second nodes, and this way we can give the apex a little bit of a lead, and that way we can sort of establish the apex to be a little more defined. And I do want to apologize that I don't have a tripod with me, so I'm just holding the camera. So this branch right here, I'm going to prune it back down all the way down here, and that will give it 2 nodes. Same thing on the back right here. So looking at the tree from afar, I think that looks a lot better. We got the apex more centered and right above the nabari. We're going to take a look at the lower portion of the tree. Right away there is this branch right here that just looked out of place. It's a lot younger and smaller. It's also very congested right here. Overall it just doesn't really look right. And it's also obscuring part of the trunk that way, so we are going to remove that branch right there. I need to get a little bit more. Okay. I'm thinking of removing that branch right there just because it's sort of small and lanky, and just wire some of the branch up top a little bit more horizontal or a little bit lower, as well as the branch on this side. We'll just wire that one a little bit horizontal or low as well. This way we can sort of achieve some layering to the canopy instead of just one round one. And I also don't like how lanky and small that branch is, and it's almost like a bar branches right now, and it just doesn't look good to me, so I'm going ahead and remove that. Alright guys, so I think the tree looks a lot better now without that branch right there, and with these branches wired down. I think I'm pretty happy with what it looks like right now, and I think we'll just stop right here to let the tree recovers and grow some more before we do any more pruning and shaping.